Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto creamy lemon garlic salmon. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Let's get started with this super easy, delicious salmon. It is out of this world and I love salmon. So I've got this pan heating here. It's about medium-high heat. This is what we're going to use to cook the salmon in. I'm going to use avocado oil and I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons in the pan because we don't want our salmon to stick. So our skillet is nice and hot. I'm going to go ahead and let me season this salmon quickly with some salt. I'll season it with some pepper later. Pepper tends to burn. So that's ready. We are going to put these in the pan skin side up. And we're going to let these cook skin side up until they are nice and crisp on the flesh side. And we want to be patient because if you try and flip them too soon, they're going to stick to the pan. Okay, this center salmon is already releasing from the pan. It's nice and brown, so I'm going to flip it carefully. Now we can work on getting that skin crispy. So the best way to know when a piece of salmon is done is to check it with a thermometer. Really, salmon is done whenever it's your desired doneness. I like mine to be a little medium rare, so it's going to still be a little pink in the middle, not quite as opaque as some people would like. And that would be about 135 degrees internal temperature. So I'm going to use my meat thermometer, and we are not quite there. So we're going to keep cooking. Okay, tested them. They look, and the temperature is good. Look at how good that skin looks. Nice and crispy. So I'm going to remove these from the skillet and then we can make our cream sauce. And the good thing about this making salmon with the skin on, don't try and remove the skin before you cook it. You want to remove it after you cook it. It's so much easier. It literally just peels right off. So if you don't want to eat the skin, don't eat the skin. I don't eat the skin even if it gets crispy. So for our cream sauce, I'm going to put this on about medium heat. And I've got 1 1/4 cups of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. So we're just going to let this simmer. We're going to let it thicken up. Just going to whisk it, get any brown stuff from the bottom of the pan scraped up. I'm going to bring this up to medium high. See, it's already starting to get thick. Our pan was really hot. I'm going to go ahead and taste it and see if it needs salt. Definitely. That's going to be so good. I'm going to add some pepper. Okay, our cream sauce looks amazing. It's nice and thick. Our last ingredient is going to be 2 tablespoons of minced parsley. Just gonna sprinkle it on top and stir it in. Now we can spoon some of this delicious sauce on top of our salmon. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. I'm gonna set this aside and then we're going to try a bite. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little more parsley on top just to be fancy. Hey, let's take a bite. Oh my gosh, it is perfectly cooked and it just comes right off of that salmon skin. Oh, that's so good. You're gonna love this recipe. If you want a side dish that is perfect for this recipe, check out this easy cauliflower mash. It will go perfectly with this salmon. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye.